Nice work. You made it through the really long form. Now I'm going to get that submission. I'm actually going to look through it myself and grade each of those as either best in class, probably okay, should be improved, or I'm scared for you. For anything that you didn't get best in class, we couldn't do it better ourselves, I'll send you the DIY email that corresponds to that section, 1 a week over the next however many weeks you need. Some people need 1, some people get all 7. Actually, if you want them all right now, you don't want to wait 7 weeks to get all the content, the reason I split it up that way is that it's a lot and it's overwhelming, and if I print it all at once, it looks like a novel. Each one of the emails is pretty long because it's specific detailed instructions on how to do it. But in any case, if you're impatient, I am too, you can actually buy it all right now for 99 bucks. It'll just shoot it to you in one big file. You can deal with it all today. Now about that 99 bucks, if at any point in the future you decide to become a woobetter customer, I mean tomorrow, next week, next month, 3 years from now, if I've got a record of you buying this content, 100% of that $99 is applicable towards your first month's free.